Today we are on the island of St. Kitts, one of the British Virgin Islands, now independent, together with Nevis. We are in the area called the Batik area, which is in the middle of the rainforest. And we just finished touring the Batik factory, having purchased a few items. There's one of group there, Diane. What do you have to say, Diane?
I'm delighted. This is, I think, one of the prettiest spots we've been in. The foliage is beautiful. The tour was informative. And we spent money, which makes everybody happy.
Thank you. And there we have another one of our tourists up in the tower. There she is.
You want to climb higher? God bless her. She has enough room.
I'm walking over here to a lookout point that overlooks the rainforest. We have some very tall palm trees here. And we look down into the rainforest. In the background there is a ruins of a tower. Not sure what it was before. And again over there in the background is the special type of palm called the fan palm, of which we've seen a few of them here in St. Kitts.